Hi, are you a working professional or you're looking for a hobby to improve your concentration and focus or reduce your stress and anxiety? Nowadays, our children forget their present life. They're always using mobile phones, playing video games. In this video, you are going to learn origami board. While you folding the paper, you really need your full concentration and focus. Without your focus and concentration, you can't create your origami object. Trust me. Regular practice of origami, it can help you to reduce your stress, depression, anxiety. It improve your eye-hand coordination. When you folding this paper, following as per the instruction. Now, I am going to create a simple origami board. For this, I take a piece of paper. Here, I take a 15 centimeter a square sheet. You take any one, you take any sheet like a newspaper or a white paper, but you have in the square form. Now, follow me to create your origami object. Just fold it. What I am doing, just fold the paper like this. I hope you see. Then fold it like this. Now you have 4 corners. Just take only 3 corners. Then fold it in upward, then fold it in downward direction like this. Now you have only 1 corner, then again fold it downward direction. You have a triangle shape. Just open the top like this, then fold it. Then rotate it. Just follow me. Now just pull the paper. Like this. I hope you are following this instruction. Then that's all. Now our origami board is ready. How simple is it, right? After watching this video, you are going to take a piece of paper, then create your origami board by following this instruction. Take a selfie with that board and share it, and comment below how this video is useful for you. I really want to see your board. See you in the next video.